Hello everyone. Today we are walking around Vietnam's Ho Chi Minh City and we're on a bridge at the moment with the view like this. It's really cool. We've got boats down there. We've got the big buildings up there. I think that's a famous one over there. Kaylee is doing a photo shoot, so that's why we're walking around. She's got a model and yeah, we're just walking around to some of the off the beaten parts of Ho Chi Minh City right now, so it's really interesting to see this stuff. Lots of locals, no tourists where we are.
So we're in the centre of Ho Chi Minh City and just in front of the Ho Chi Minh statue there. And there's just so many beautiful buildings around here. It's a very French look to this square. Yeah, what do you think there?
This is really cool. I love the statue with the Vietnamese flag in the background. Very symbolic.
We just finished, I just finished up shooting here for my photo shoot, and yeah, it was just a good area to kind of finish up in because there seems to be a couple of tourist spots around that we didn't really know about. So, and there's a tourist information centre over there, so we might go check that out. But yeah, such a beautiful area and lots of good shopping by the looks of it.
Good morning everyone. Today is our last full day in Ho Chi Minh City. We're gonna go check out a museum or two, just walk around, maybe get some food, and yeah, just have a fairly relaxed kind of chill day where we learn a little bit more about Vietnamese culture and stuff at whatever museum we go to.
Yeah, it's our last full day in Vietnam today, so we're pretty sad because we'll be leaving tomorrow to go to Macau, which is exciting, but it's still a little bit sad that
yeah, we've really enjoyed our time in Vietnam and we would definitely come back. It's a very beautiful country and the people here and the food here is amazing, so definitely come here if you haven't. It's definitely worth a visit. It's very affordable as well.
Yeah, I feel like we've spent money at times on other things that we haven't sort of organised previously, like transfers and that, but as far as food goes and like everything else, it's so cheap and like we really haven't spent a lot in that sense.
Not at all. We're at the Saigon Opera House at the moment, so it's in this old French building, I assume, and it looks really cool. So check it out. So now we're just gonna keep walking down. We might end up walking to the modern building that's kind of famous in Ho Chi Minh and see where we end up. We don't really know where we're going, we're just kind of walking around the city centre at the moment. So we've taken a detour. We were actually headed towards that building right behind me over there when we saw this monument right next to me down one of the side streets, so we decided to take a bit of a detour. So this is what we found. Don't really know what it is just yet. Maybe we'll see a sign around here somewhere that'll explain what it is. So here is the monument that we've come to look at. We don't really know what it is because we haven't seen any English signs. It does say Tran Hong Dao. I'm not really sure what that means in Vietnamese, or if I even said that correctly, but
or if it's his name.
Yeah, it might be his name, not too sure. But it's obviously something significant because it is quite a prominent looking statue. So we didn't end up going up the tower to this observation deck. It was a bit expensive, a bit too expensive for what we wanted to pay, so we just went and got bubble tea instead.
Expensive. It was like $25 for both of us.
Yeah, so
it's not that bad here, really, if we're being honest. But
yeah,
it's just we do have to keep saving our
yeah,
money, and
exactly.
we already have a really good view from the top of our hotel room. It's quite a, well, not our hotel room, but the restaurant.
Yeah,
it's quite tall.
And we have 3 months to go, so we'll see plenty of things. And you know, we're just happy to walk around and take in Ho Chi Minh City for now, and we'll do some more cool things in the rest of our trip. Literally 5 minutes before we got to our hotel, it just started bucketing down rain, so we're like kind of walking really fast just to get up to our hotel room because it came out of nowhere and it is bucketing. It's so heavy right now.